Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix double click on window title bar not working on Mac. So if double clicking on the title bar of the window does not do anything on your Mac, it usually does not mean there is a problem with your hardware. In most cases, the double click action has either been set to no action or the application you are using does not support this feature. Or maybe the double click action you have expect to do is not the case. Maybe accidentally you have set another action and you are expecting something else. So don't worry, your macOS lets you choose what should happen when you double click on your Windows title bar. So if that setting is incorrect, this is how you can fix it. First, click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock and check if you have set no action in window title bar double click action, and if it is the case, click on the drop down menu right to it and then change it to fill, zoom, minimize depending on the behavior you want, and check if it is working or not. As you can see here, it will start work. If in your Mac it is still not working, restart your Mac once and that's it. It surely will start working. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.